Hey guys, welcome to another week of When You Need 'Em, Ask Neadom. I'm Neadom Tucker, owner of Kotori Technologies, and today we're going to take a look at the 5 IT roles you need in your business today. Stay tuned and we'll check them out. Hey guys, welcome back. Like I said, we're going to take a look at the 5 IT roles you need for your business. Now, this is not, what you need for every business. We're not hiring 5 people for your small business. We're going to take a look at what the 5 roles are that you need to have. If you're a small business and a CEO, you are also the accountant, and you are the, head bottle washer, and you're the guy in the back chopping up the meat, or you're the guy, going out and making sales calls, or putting quotes together, or putting fires out. You're doing it all. These are those hats that you have to put on as an IT person. Now, we're going to take a look at these from the top down, what you would typically have. And the first role we want to take a look at is the VCIO, or the CIO, Chief Information Officer. This person is the person that actually communicates between you and the tech geeks. I mean, we don't want to geek you out too much. Our goal as an IT company is to talk to you, figure out what your goals are. I want to make sure that whatever you're looking for goes towards your mission, vision, and value, and that it gets you to your end goal. So, for example, if you're trying to figure out how to grow your sales force, and you're going to have people out there in the world that are, mobile 100% of the time, I need to translate that, understand what you're telling me, and make sure that's going to work from a technology perspective. Your CIO is going to do that. Next thing we want to take a look at is your security administrator. This person is in charge of making sure the security of your infrastructure, of your services, of everything that you're running is secure, making sure that you have the right information in place, that you're not sharing too much information out in the public, and also make sure that you are in compliance with different regulations that you may have. PCI, HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley. These are compliance regulations that you have to have in place depending on your business. Okay, so the third one we want to take a look at is what we would consider your network administrator. Now, this person is really in charge, or this role is really in charge of making sure the networking, the little bits of data going from one computer to the other, going across the country, going wherever it's going to go to, we're going to want to make sure that someone is in your infrastructure that understands the networking portion of it and can handle those things like that. And once we got our network administrator, we've got our kind of server administrator or net admin. This person is responsible for the infrastructure, the servers, making sure that the servers and the workstations communicate together. They're kind of like the liaison to your end users when it comes to when they need something. So let's say, for example, you have a file server, and that information needs to be able to access from an end user PC to a file server. So we're going to want to make sure that you've got somebody that understands to make sure that that information is secure, and they're able to work with the other people in your department. Last but not least, we've got the person that you get to deal with all the time. This is typically a Helpdesk Specialist or an end user specialist or or Helpdesk support person. This person is who you're going to talk to probably 80 to 90% of the time. This is your person that you're going to have there that's actually working with your employees, working with your end users to make sure that things are solved. They're going to be the ones logging into your desktop computer. They're going to be the one fixing your printers. They're going to be the ones setting up new users and things like that. They're going to go through that process. And these individuals are the ones that you're going to spend the most amount of time with. Hey guys, that sums up another week of When You Need 'Em, Ask Neadom. This week we talked about the 5 IT roles that you need in your organization. We looked at the VCIO, we looked at the security administrator, we looked at the network administrator, we looked at the server administrator, we looked at the help desk personnel. Well, I hope you guys have a great week, and if you guys need any help online, reach out to us at www.kotoritechnologies.com. We'll see you guys next week. Take care.